Let's start with some jumping jacks to get our heart rate up. Jump up and spread your legs wide while clapping your hands above your head. Keep your core engaged and maintain a steady rhythm. Remember to breathe and land softly on the balls of your feet. Jumping jacks are a great full-body exercise that helps burn calories. Stay consistent and challenge yourself to do more reps each time. Feel the burn in your legs and shoulders as you continue. You're doing great. Keep up the energy and push through. Almost there. Just a few more jumping jacks to go. Well done. You've completed your jumping jack workout. Great job. Welcome to your incline push-ups workout at home. Let's get started. Position yourself with your hands on an elevated surface, like a bench or a step. Keep your body straight and engage your core. Lower your chest towards the surface, bending your elbows. Push yourself back up to the starting position. Remember to breathe throughout the exercise. Repeat this movement for the desired number of repetitions. Focus on maintaining proper form and control. Challenge yourself by increasing the incline or trying different variations. Great job! You've completed your incline push-ups workout at home. Keep up the good work. Welcome to your knee push-ups workout at home. Let's get started. Begin by getting into a plank position with your knees on the ground. Lower your upper body towards the ground, keeping your core engaged. Push yourself back up to the starting position, using your arms and chest muscles. Remember to breathe throughout the exercise and maintain proper form. Repeat this movement for a set number of repetitions or a specific duration. Feel the burn in your arms and chest as you strengthen your upper body. Take breaks as needed, but challenge yourself to push through the workout. Keep up the great work. You're one step closer to your fitness goals. Finish strong and remember to cool down and stretch after your workout. Welcome to your push-up workout at home. Start by getting into a high plank position. Lower your body down, keeping your core engaged. Push yourself back up to the starting position. Remember to breathe and maintain proper form. Repeat this exercise for a total of 10 reps, take a short break and hydrate if needed. Now let's move on to the next set of push-ups. This time, try diamond push-ups to target your triceps. Keep up the great work. You're doing amazing. Get ready for a challenging wide arm push-up workout. Start by positioning your hands wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body down, keeping your core engaged. Push yourself back up, focusing on your chest and triceps. Remember to maintain proper form throughout the exercise. Keep your elbows slightly tucked in and your back straight. Breathe in as you lower down and exhale as you push up. Feel the burn as you work your upper body muscles. Challenge yourself by increasing the number of reps. Great job! Keep up the hard work and enjoy the benefits of wide arm push-ups. Welcome to the Cobra Stretch Workout. Get ready to stretch and strengthen your back muscles. Lie down on your stomach with your palms on the ground next to your shoulders. Press your palms into the ground and lift your upper body, keeping your hips and legs relaxed. Feel the stretch in your lower back as you extend your arms and lift your chest. Hold the position for a few seconds, breathing deeply and relaxing your neck. Slowly lower your upper body back down to the ground, releasing the stretch. Repeat the Cobra stretch for a few more times, focusing on your breath and maintaining proper form. Remember to listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain or discomfort. Incorporate the Cobra stretch into your regular workout routine to improve flexibility and strengthen your back. Thank you for joining the Cobra Stretch Workout. Stay active and take care of your body. Welcome to your chest stretch workout at home. Start by standing tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Interlace your fingers behind your back and gently squeeze your shoulder blades together. Take a deep breath in and lift your chest towards the ceiling. Hold this stretch for 15 to 30 seconds, feeling the stretch in your chest and shoulders. Release the stretch and shake out your arms. Repeat this stretch for a total of 3 to 5 times. Remember to breathe deeply and relax your body as you stretch. Feel the tension melt away as you take care of your chest muscles. Thank you for joining this chest stretch workout at home. Stay healthy and keep stretching.